Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about aloe vera drink and its benefits for improved digestion. Aloe vera has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. It's a succulent plant that's native to North Africa and it's widely cultivated for its gel-like substance found inside its leaves. The gel inside the aloe vera leaf is rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that are beneficial for our overall health, including our digestive system. One of the easiest ways to consume aloe vera is by making a drink out of it. All you need is a fresh aloe vera leaf, some water, and blender. Aloe vera drink is easy to make and can be consumed daily. It's a great way to improve digestion, boost your immune system, and increase nutrient absorption. Now let's talk about how aloe vera drink can improve digestion. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help break down food and aid in digestion. It also helps soothe and heal the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and irritation. If you suffer from digestive issues such as acid reflux, bloating, or constipation, drinking aloe vera juice regularly can help alleviate these symptoms. To make your aloe vera drink even more delicious and nutritious, you can add other ingredients such as a lemon, ginger, or honey. These ingredients will not only enhance the taste but also add their own health benefits. So if you are looking for a natural and easy way to improve your digestion, try incorporating aloe vera drink into your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.